Hello, everybody. We really hope that you are safe at home. This is Adria, and like many others, I'm working from home, trying to put tutorials and help you with many questions that perhaps your parents are asking. So here goes the number one question that parents are asking, and it is, can I access information on the school district campus? So this is what parents see when they first go into the school district website. They are to click out of that little window, and the school district has instructed parents to go into resources, click for parents, and then look for LUSD enrichment courses. They can either click here or they can click on this link. When they click on LUSD and online enrichment courses, our families would go into early childhood education and automatically will be taken to our webpage. So that is one way they can get there. The other way, I'm going to go back to the home page for the district. The other way they can go is just click out of this window, go to schools, select child development preschool, and this is our early childhood education page. On this page, they can select preschool online enrichment courses. And it's the same page that they would have been taken if they went through Canvas. Now, while on this page, they have several tabs that we put here to help families navigate our webpage. The first one, how to access the preschool enrichment courses, will give them instructions, and we are asking families to use the Learning Genie app. On the Learning Genie app, they will be able to work on activities with their children divided in our 5 developmental goals from DRDP. And they can also record that in the in-kind feature that has been available for Head Start, but now can be available for all families to use. That way we know what activities they worked on. So if the families already have Learning Genie, all they have to do is record the activities on the Learning Genie app by following the steps provided on this in-kind. So they can click on that, and then once they open it, they're going to have steps on how to do it. This would be their app on their phone. So they will click on this little hamburger, the 3 lines up on the top. It'll take them to this page, select in-kind report, and then they click add to add an activity. And then they're going to have a list of different domains. So they can select, let's say, approaches to learning. And once they're in there, they can select whatever activity they decided to work on. And once they finish, then they can select how much time they spent. And I love that they also have an opportunity to add a comment. Okay, so they can tell you what they did, where they went, and so forth. And at the end, they sign it. That's a way for us to record what families are doing with our children. So back to the main page. The families also have access to a daily schedule. This is recommended to help them engage the children in different activities. Before 9 a.m., wake up, then the morning walk, academic time, creative time, quiet time, academic time, and this is outdoor time, are the activities that they could use to record in Learning Genie, which is why they're red and blue. Another tab would be what to do with your children. This will give them ideas to teach their children a trait, and also ideas on how to engage with their children with the activities provided under each one of the developmental goals. If they click on this, any of them will take them to the 5 developmental goals, which I will show you in just a moment. Then you have the free meals for children under the age of 18. It gives them the school locations and the hours, and if they click on a school, they will get the school map. How to practice social distancing is giving families a good idea of what is recommended and what is not recommended when practicing social distancing. And the preschool educational links and apps will take them to a page where we have many educational links and apps. So I'm going to go back to the 5 developmental goals, which were here on what to do with your children. You can select them individually or you can click on them. And these are the 5 developmental goals. Families can click on any of them and get an idea of an activity to do with their children. Once they complete it, they can go into Learning Genie and record it. Okay, these are exactly the same that are found on the DRDP activities for parents from RCOE that is currently being utilized for in-kind with Head Start. And the preschool educational links and apps are divided in categories: educational games and videos, learning ideas for children, social emotional, reading books and stories, and parenting tips and more. And lastly, resources for preschool educators. Here are some resources for you as well to stay on top of things. Okay, so I really hope that this is helpful for you, helpful for your families, and please stay safe, stay at home as much as you can, and just want you to know that we miss you. We continue to work in very short hours, but we're currently thinking and praying for all of you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.